Hey everyone, so are you trying to pair your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 with an iPhone, but you're not sure how to do it? Yeah, a lot of people get confused here because Samsung fitness devices are mainly designed for Android phones. But you can still connect the Galaxy Fit 3 to an iPhone using the official companion app. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to pair them step by step in 2026. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for the Samsung Health app. Download and install the app if you don't already have it. Next, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your iPhone settings. Your phone needs Bluetooth enabled to detect and connect to the fitness tracker. Now, power on your Galaxy Fit 3 if it isn't already turned on. Once the device starts, it should enter pairing mode automatically if it hasn't been connected before. Open the Samsung Health app on your iPhone. Inside the app, go to the device or accessory section and choose the option to add a new device. When the app scans for nearby devices, select Galaxy Fit 3 from the list, then confirm the pairing request on both the phone and the fitness tracker. After pairing, the app will finish syncing the device and apply any necessary settings. This process might take a minute while your iPhone and tracker connect and transfer data. Once everything is connected, try syncing your steps or health data to confirm the connection works properly. If the data updates inside the app, your Galaxy Fit 3 is successfully paired with your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you pair the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 with an iPhone in 2026. Even though Samsung devices are designed mainly for Android, you can still connect and use basic tracking features with an iPhone using the Samsung Health app. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.